Sashie Cool, one brand, that Vendetta, one brand, that.
Yes, man, viewer, subscriber, it's your boy Djstullaa from here, the Vines, you know how it is. Today we are talking about King in a camp and we are talking about Alkaline, the man himself. I run the Vendetta, push out star captain, and right now, a Sashie Cool. And we are say, yo, when we say Venna, we are talking about Vendetta, because you know, say we not talk about snake, or snake, we kill that, and rat, we burn that. Man, them a take out the 9 and lick shot, so hear this.
Say them hype and them a wear fake clothes. Who give them? Empty pocket no go a bar, don't pretend. Pull up in a people car where you no feed them.
Viewer, subscriber, although a Sashie Cool say yo Vendetta, him drop a tune and say one brand, and I make him man and make you know how him flex. But hear me now, before we go down in it, we are going to run the intro, so walk with me. Yes, my viewers, it's your boy Djstullaa. We say if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like, comment, share, or you can press the bell icon for each time we upload. You're the first to get it, or you can catch us on the gram at Djstullaa. Say nothing more, your boy one. Viewer, subscriber, more on a pre where the man say. The man say, yo, one brand. And the man now just talk about the Vendetta brand. The man a make you know say one brand. That means if him a lick something for the day, a one brand. So if him a go rock Giuseppe from head to toe. If him a go lick Louis V, a Louis V from head to toe. The man a make you know say yo, him coordination tight. So that him a try tell you. So him not deal with the fake thing. Cause him a make you know say enough boy out there are wear fake. You see me? Enough boy out there rock certain car and them car come from China. The man a make you know say yo, a straight manufacture thing him deal with, you see me, and that's why the man a make you know say yo, one brand for
Now fi wear white for you see say me clean. Not even one stick of dirt in a me jean. No fish nor no freak couldn't in a me team. Anytime me do a check up is a nurse magazine.
Viewer, subscriber, a man a make you know say yo, big old man thing. A man say yo, when him go check a nurse, I beat him go beat. A man say yo, him don't have to wear white for you see same clean. You see me? Cause no dirt at all in his jeans. A man a make you know say yo, when him a move fresh. A man a make you know say when him a move 100. A man a make you know say yo, when he move coordinated. You see me? And a them thing that the man a make you know say yo, now boy can't style him.
Rich in a real life, me no live in a dream. Everybody know a touch when we dip on the scene. Enough hype and broke, that coulda never be me. Me no buggy money, pull up then go back for money. Watch a style.
Viewer, subscriber, more on a pray. A man say yo, I know yesterday alone in money. I know just today alone in money. A man say yo, I'm rich in a life. I know no daydream thing. A man a say yo, him though in a the hype thing I go on like say yo, him a money and him a go on like flashy and all of them thing there. A man say him the join them the thing there. A man say yo, if him go out and spend 50 grand and that done him go back and take out 50 more and blow that. You see me? And them way that the man a make you know say yo, when him a roll dirty.
Yeah, me at match, my top, my belt match, my watch, my pan shoes and socks are one brand that.
Viewer, subscriber, more on a pre where the man say. The man a make you know say yo, anything him a look for that the day there, he have to be the one brand. You see me? So if him a wear hat, if him a go lick him top, if him a go lick him jeans, if him a lick him trainers, if him a go lick him socks, even after shave, a one brand for the day. You see me? And of them thing that we say, yo, gunshot for that. You see me? But right now we have to say X amount of shout out goes out to the man himself, Alkaline. You see me? He might push out enough guns right now and we say, yo, fire for that. You see me? Because right now a Sashie Cool and star captain, a man them a take over the whole place. And we say, yo, X amount of shout out goes out to the Vendetta. But hear me now, it's your boy Djstullaa, we say X amount of shout out. You see me? Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, or you can press the bell icon for each time we upload. You're the first to get it. We not say nothing more. It's your boy Djstullaa one.